Hi, hello, I'm Yoshitaka. How are you? Oh, sick. Oh my god. Please take care. Okay, so today I explain to you Japanese onomatopoeia, tekipaki. Do you know tekipaki? So tekipaki is used as the adverb. So very briskly, very efficiently, quickly and smoothly in a business-like way. So doing something in a business-like way, so that's a tekipaki. So for example, 彼はテキパキと注文をこなした。彼はテキパキと注文をこなした。He did with the order efficiently, quickly, and smoothly. He didn't waste any time in dealing with the order. So that situation is テキパキ。彼はテキパキと注文をこなした。彼はテキパキと注文をこなした。He didn't waste any time in dealing with the order. That situation is テキパキ。He did it very promptly, very quickly, and in a business-like way. Okay, that is a tekipaki. Very briskly. Okay, with dispatch. Okay, did you understand it? Okay, so that's all for today. See you next time. Goodbye.